Hey, what's up guys? It's Nasar, aka the RealEstate Doru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. Hey, check this out, right? You can't sell your wholesale deal. I wonder what's going on. Let's talk about that. Let's dig into this. I'm gonna hit y'all with that intro, and I'll catch you on the other side. Alright, so you can't sell your wholesale deal, right? Sometimes it's going to due to lack of buyers. You need good buyers, right? Great way you can get real cash buyers is durudata.com, 7-day free trial. Type in the address of the property. I got multiple videos on my channel. Look at my playlist for real estate tools and you can see how to find cash buyers. The main thing I see is just not a deal. It doesn't work. The numbers don't work. Just because you want the deal to work does not mean it's going to work. Just because you're destined for a check does not mean it's not going to work. I've seen it time after time after time. I remember one guy, and this happens often here in Charlotte. It was a hot zip code, right? And the guy was saying, man, if you give me this new tax value, because the city assessed the value of the property really high, he said, man, you give me this new tax value, man, you can have it for this price. The wholesaler asked about that. I said, nah, it's not gonna work. He said, well, maybe it's really close to downtown, so somebody might just want to buy it and hold it. The guy was getting the property for $330. Fixed up is probably worth about $390, $400 fixed up. Probably would, to get you to that $390 ARV, probably gonna need anywhere between $80,000 and $100,000 worth of work. So I say, yeah, man, it ain't gonna work. He went, locked the deal up anyway, based off his theory, and couldn't sell it. Why nobody wanted to buy it? Because the deal was too high. And guys, be open to take your feedback from your buyers. Say, hey man, I'm just curious, why you passing that deal? And man, the numbers just don't work. Okay, what number will work for you? You want to put a number in? And that should give you, if you continuously hear that, like, okay, I get it. You don't want to take it after the first time. But if you continuously hear that, like 2, 3, 4 times, then yeah, it's probably priced too high. That's the main reason I see that why deals don't sell. Right. Practice running numbers. How can you practice running numbers? Go on Zillow. Look at stuff for sale. You can comp it with Doru data as well. If you have that tool, don't have that tool, look at Zillow Souls to see what the ARV is. Run your numbers and practice on making offers. How do you practice on making offers? You know, if an investor wants to be 70% all in of whatever the ARV is, then it's the ARV times 0.70 minus repairs, minus your wholesale fee, and that's your offer. You do that a few times on paper. But just because you get a seller on the line who's willing to give you an off-market deal does not necessarily mean it's a deal. So just practice running numbers, man. Another story, man. I remember a guy said, man, I'm new, the seller took advantage of me, and now they're trying to hold me to the contract that he signed. The seller's starting to say, like, listen, if you don't close this deal, I'm going to sue you, and I can sue you. I feel like he's taking advantage. Okay, first of all, you were trying to take advantage of the seller, but the seller outsmarted you. You thought you were going to get this property for this deep discount. You didn't run your numbers. You didn't know what you were doing. So basically, you were going to waste your seller's time anyway, because you didn't. If you probably knew how to run numbers, this wouldn't happen. Okay? You didn't, and now the seller's starting to sue you, etc. So let's just be careful of that. Let's practice running numbers. Now, do I sell every deal I get? Absolutely not. I don't sell every deal I get. But is that common practice with me? No, it's not common practice. We sell probably 90% of the deals that we get at the contract. You know, with that being said, I hope that was helpful. Practice running those numbers and, you know, be open to taking feedback from buyers. And don't try to make an opportunity out of something that's just not there. For those who've never done a wholesale deal, you want to get my contracts, go to durucontracts.com. Durucontracts.com. Get my free contracts and take those with you. And guys, I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.